to see me open the box. That's what you're saying. You want to go back up there.
I don't want to interrupt your vision.
All right, y'all. So it's your girl Stella here once again, going back and forth with my son that don't want to watch me open up this box, but that's okay. That's okay, because he gonna come down here and see, baby. Y'all, as you can see on the pack, look at here. Look, look at there. Stella Stars, we got us something. We got us something. You know what I'm saying? Got us something. Look at you. Look at you. You changed your mind, didn't you? You changed your mind. He changed his mind. It ain't gonna take us long to open this at all. Woo! I'm gonna show y'all what it's doing. Woo! All right, y'all. Wicked. Aldo. Look at that. They ain't got my real name on now. Ooh! Look at that! Look at that! I'm finna on to y'all. Look at that. Cause don't play with me. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, buddy, look at the top. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Look how they came with it. Look how they came with this. Now I gotta show y'all the other shoe. Then I'm look at the packaging. Look at this. Look at the packaging. Y'all see that? Look at the packaging. Look at that. Okay. All right, y'all look at that. I'm just showing y'all, like, y'all, let me really look at that. Look at that. Let me really zoom in so y'all can really see. It's got a broomstick on now, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see that? Now look at the back of this one. Look at the pattern on the inside of this shoe. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. Let me see. Cause y'all know I'm doing this unedited. All right? Doing this unedited for y'all. Cause baby, I just think it's important. It's just important for me to show y'all. Look at the bag. Ooh! Come through Aldo with the Wicked. Okay? These, I bought them in a size 7, y'all. They were 130 bucks. Okay? Let me show it to y'all. Can y'all see it? I want to make sure y'all can see it, okay? That's the box. All right. Hold on. I'm going to run this back one more time. I'm going to run it back. I'm going to run it back one more time where y'all can see the shoes. Really good. Y'all look at that. That's the inside. All right. Y'all. Now, look at that. And let's see what it says. It says, unlikely friendship. And I'm going to briefly talk about Wicked really quick, and then I'm going to hop off of here. I went and seen the stage play Wicked in New York. I absolutely love the storyline. I absolutely will be there to see the movie. Okay? I will absolutely be there to see this movie. All right? So, y'all, very, very good storyline for those who have not seen it. If you ever get a chance to see the play in person, go and see the play It is amazing. But anyway, you all, I just wanted to bring y'all a fresh, open, out the box view of this sneaker, okay? Unedited, straight out the pack, okay? I really like it. It is an amazing shoe, y'all. This is an amazing shoe that I cannot wait to wear and show you all what it looks like with an outfit coming up very soon, probably for the premiere of Wicked. But anyway, you all, your girl Stella got to go, okay? I got places to be, even if I ain't going nowhere at all. Y'all tune in with your girl. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that other jazzy stuff. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm over 800 subscribers. Got to give a shout out to my crew. Got to give a shout out to my coach, Reva, just all of that. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you so much for being there for your girl. Y'all, this is day 3 of unedited videos. And I appreciate you for chiming in and sticking with your girl. You all have a really, really good one.